All right, so Numeric Racing, they are sponsoring the build. Thank you guys, Numeric. They do, I think, more than just Porsche stuff. Might have to check on that. But I know they do a lot of Porsche stuff. So if you have a Porsche, they have a lot of really good shifter kits. But they told me they're going to send me something kind of fun. So let's see what it is. I kind of already blew the secret. I opened it and saw it instantly. All right, so we can see right away. Well, let's get out the box knife here. As you can see, this is the Retrofit Source box knife. Came with my headlights. Yeah, let's just open this up. You can see it is full lollipop purple, whatever that means. We're gonna find out. And yeah, I'm really good at opening boxes and using knives while filming. So let's get in here. As you know, the guys at Numeric kind of hooked me up. They are sponsoring the build, and they said they had a secret little surprise for me. They sent this out to me, and we're gonna find out what it is. These are, wow, these are freaking sweet. Look at that, dude. Custom Rawwell, Utah. Paint to sample match my car. So, guys, that's freaking sweet. Thank you. Thanks for sending these out. Pretty excited to get these in and on. And yeah, let's go. Let's go and this is supposed to just pop right off. Of course, it's not.
Everything's supposed to, but doesn't.
Hi. So the first thing that we're doing today is we're installing these pedals. And to do it, you gotta pull off the old throttle. I don't even know what you call this thing. Throttle piece? Ouch. So this basically just sits on the back of the gas pedal. The new one comes with a fully adjustable one. The one from the homies at Numeric. So this is the old one. We're gonna pull that out. And then let's dive in. Let's dive in. This is the new one. You can tell it's totally adjustable. In fact, for distance, I might even measure this just off of that. See how close we are. It's a lot shorter, huh? We'll see. Then it's got a stop on the back. What else do I have hanging off of me? Nothing? All right. That's shorter, but you can adjust this both ways. I'm gonna start with it just how it is. Probably end up driving it.
Let's see the logo. It's cool. Oh, was that green too?
Yeah. I had them get it as close as they could, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's good.
I don't know. It's so gross. This is like that moment when you realize that you should have cleaned up or bought new hardware. Cause like, how gross does that bolt? How bad does that bolt look with like all this brand new sick stuff? The other thing is that this is adjustable side to side, so you can actually move the numeric pedal. It doesn't have to be in the exact position the OEM one is, so it still's gonna work, but you can adjust it and slide it side to side. So, in the interest of time and install, I'm just gonna use these old bolts, but they take like 1 second to remove, so I'm probably gonna order new ones. We'll use new hardware in the future. Oh, and just so you know, I already pulled it out. When we put this back on, there's a retaining clip, this thing that comes through. That is gonna slide in, maybe if I can do this. It slides in and then, oops, am I on the wrong side of this? Yeah, sorry, there we go. So once it's on, this little clip is gonna slide in and then just push over. No clip into place, so just so you know. If you're doing this on your own and you're building one, clip, after it's onto there, you're gonna push it in, clip it over, so.
Yeah, I've never seen that.
There we go, did you hear that?
Did it snap in place?
Yeah. Because it's literally just like a sandwich screw-on plate. So these should be like super easy. And dress it up just a bit in here.
Oh, so those just go right over top, right?
Yeah.
Oh, and back.
You know, like that.
Nice.
On a scale of 1 to blind man, where do I rank right now?
Pretty blind.
Okay, that's fair. This is probably a pretty good shot.
Yeah.
Those are on. So that's what they look like, purple. And all right, finally got it, sweet. Let's bolt this down. So what's cool is that these numeric pedals actually come with new hardware. So
I should try and get some little like etched LTO details like this
heck yeah.
on things. I don't know on what yet, but just now that I'm thinking of it.
As you get stuff made.
Could be cool.
Do they have a cool logo? Or do they
Yeah,
have a
I'm pretty
logo?
sure they do. Yeah, they do.
All right. Well, that's what it all looks like done.
Hell yeah.
All right. So now the numeric stuff's in. Pretty excited on it. Excited to get this stuff covered. There's gonna be carpet and stuff over some of this, so don't worry. We've got the run line, track mat in, and I think I'm gonna throw in. I've got a set of Recaros in the basement. I think we're gonna throw those in temporarily and just use that. But pretty excited though. Pretty stoked. So this is it. Thanks again to the guys at Numeric. Hopefully that install is easy. You know, like I said, super simple here. This is simple. That pin was a little bit hard, but we got it. And anyway, yeah. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, guys at Numeric. Pretty excited for this. Hopefully we'll get the whole inside just finished up soon and see how good it looks. So, pretty stoked. Thanks.